Hey, I'm Ty with WTI, and one of my favorite pasta sauces is this Bertolli olive oil, basil, and garlic sauce. I absolutely love using this sauce because it is packed with flavor. I can definitely taste the basil and the garlic in here, so I don't have to do a lot of adding my own seasonings to it. It is already delicious as is. So that is the number one reason why I choose this sauce. Another reason why I love this sauce so much is because it has all organic and non-GMO ingredients. So I don't have to worry about what I'm putting in my body. The ingredients in here are all really good. Another thing that I love so much about this sauce is how convenient it is. It only takes about 5 minutes to heat up and it's done. So it doesn't take much to have an enjoyable meal. And that's my point of view.